make it shine and new again. They dusted it dry. They wiped it wet. They washed, they mopped. They vacuumed all the dirt. They scrubbed the floors and washed all the doors. They cleaned our shower. They cleaned all the taps, the exhaust, the basin, and cleaned the toilets, the windows and grills, the lightning frills, the cupboards, the mattress, and the cobweb thrills, the mirrors, the glasses, and the kitchen appliances, the ceiling and the fans, and sofa and curtains, the lines, the markings, and the ugly stains.
They cleaned it deep.
They cleaned it fine.
To make my home again look